Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. This is a very quick video. I want to show you something that I just realized that if you are new to any kind of art, mixed media, art journaling, ATC cards, whatever it is, or even if you're an old one like me, you can go to your dollar store and you can pick up a paint palette. When you do that, or maybe you have them. I have a million. I love them. I use them all over. What I like to do is I'm going in, and you can use your paintbrush or a cosmetic sponge. Those cosmetic wedges, those are great. Let me do here just to show you real quick. And then watch this fun. Well, I made a mess there, but and look what you get. Look at this. Look at this fantastic texture. And what's great is, I mean, it's plastic. It wipes right off. Not a big deal. I don't care about that. But once it dries, you know, depending on what way you put it, you can go in. This is a lined journal. I'm turning into like a prayer journal, but I don't pray necessarily. I'm Wiccan, so it's like a book of shadows, but I'm going to have like quotes in it, and I'm not real sure yet, but I'm going to turn it into that. So wouldn't that be great, you know, if you want to write like words, or you know, when you're doing, you know, all kinds of different art, now you have another thing that you can use, which you're going to see me use all the time. Hey guys, I love you guys so much, and as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. You guys are the best. This was really a quickie. Nobody can complain about ads, hopefully. So I hope you guys are having a great day and a very blessed weekend that's coming up soon. And if you guys do this, let me know. Also, leave me a comment. Tell me what your favorite non-traditional art item is. Leave it down below. Maybe you'll win a little something. Who knows? I'll see you guys. Bye.